Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. Let this be the equation 1 and this be the equation 2. Let us choose equation number 2 and find the value of x in terms of y. So root 3x is equal to root 8y. Transpose root 3 to RHS and get x is equal to root 8y by root 3. Let this be the equation number 3. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. We get, instead of x, we have to put root 8y by root 3. Here you can observe root 2 into root 8 is equal to root 16y. Root 16 is 4. So 4y by root 3 is equal plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3 is the LCM, so multiply root 3 and root 3 here, get 3. So 8y by root 3 plus 3y by root 3 is equal to 0. 8 plus 3, 11, y by root 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Putting the value of y is equal to 0 in equation number 3, we get x is equal to 8 into 0, root 8 into 0 by root 3 is equal to 0. Root 8 into 0 is anyhow 0, so x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0.